everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Channel. Imagine this, the sound of your alarm, soft rain outside, and the first stretch of the morning. Can you describe that moment in English?
Great question, Emily. Many learners know vocabulary, but when it's time to talk about their day, they freeze. It feels like the words hide away.
Exactly. Today, we're going to walk step by step, from morning until night. We'll give you words, phrases, and little stories. By the end, you'll be able to tell your day in English with confidence.
And don't forget, mistakes are normal. Every error is proof you're learning. So stay with us, grab your coffee or tea, and let's begin.
Before we dive in, if you're enjoying this journey, hit subscribe. Stay till the end. We'll share powerful tips and even a mindset secret to keep your English growing.
Picture this. The alarm rings, beep, beep, beep. You open your eyes. The room is quiet, except for the rain tapping on the window.
Nice scene, Paul. So, what do you say? You can start, I wake up at 7. I open my eyes and stretch. Simple, clear.
Yes. Add feelings. I feel sleepy. I feel warm under the blanket. Language is not just action, it's emotion.
Now, let's add a sound effect, whispering. The kettle whistles. You walk to the kitchen, you say, I make coffee.
Or tea, maybe juice. Learners, tell us, what's your morning drink? Comment below. Coffee? Tea? Water?
Mini practice time. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7.
I make coffee in the morning.
I feel sleepy, but ready to start the day.
Done is better than perfect. Even if your accent isn't clear yet, say it out loud.
Now imagine stepping outside. The air is cool. The street is busy. Cars honk. People rush.
You can say, I go to work, or I take the bus. Add detail. The bus is crowded. I listen to music.
Let's make it cinematic. Picture headphones, your favorite song, the city moving outside the window. You whisper, I listen to music on the bus.
Exactly. And vocabulary tip, commute. Commute means the trip from home to work.
So you can say, I commute to work every morning. Try it, everyone. Repeat out loud. I commute to work.
Good. Let's add a personal story. Last week, Jesse, one of our students, told us, my commute is long, but I use it to listen to podcasts in English.
That's brilliant, turning boring time into learning time.
Let's continue the day. You arrive at work or school. What do you say?
You can start simple. I work in an office, or I study at school.
Then add tasks. I check my emails. I have a meeting. I take notes in class.
Mini practice time. Repeat after me. I check my emails.
I take notes in class.
I have a meeting with my boss.
Great job. Remember, describe action plus feeling. For example, I feel nervous before the meeting.
Yes, emotion makes language alive. Vocabulary section with Charlotte. 5 quick words for daily life. Number 1, wake up, meaning open your eyes in the morning. Synonym, get up. Example, I wake up at 7. Number 2, commute, meaning travel from home to work. Synonym, journey. Example, I commute by bus. Number 3, busy, meaning many things to do. Synonym, occupied. Example, I am busy at work. Number 4, relax, meaning rest, feel calm. Synonym, unwind. Example, I relax after work. Number 5, dinner, meaning main evening meal. Synonym, supper. Example, I eat dinner with my family.
Simple. Clear. Learners, which word do you already use every day?
Now let's add a cultural tip. In many English-speaking countries, small talk often starts with, "How was your day?"
Exactly. And you can answer with structure. Morning, afternoon, evening. Short, natural sentences.
For example, this morning I had a class. In the afternoon, I worked on a project. In the evening, I relaxed with friends.
Let's practice together. Say out loud, this morning I had coffee.
In the afternoon, I studied English.
In the evening, I relaxed with my family.
Perfect. See, you're building a full picture.
Emily, I want to connect this to mindset. Many learners wait until they feel ready, but action creates motivation.
Yes, motivation comes after action, not before. If you speak one simple sentence today, you win.
So, learner, say it now. Whisper to yourself, I am learning English today.
I love that. Your voice is proof of progress.
Before lunch, let's add food vocabulary. What do you eat at midday?
Some say, I eat rice. Others, I have a sandwich. Or, I eat noodles.
Many practice. Repeat. I have lunch at 12.
I eat rice and vegetables.
I drink water with my lunch.
Good work. Keep repeating until it feels natural.
Now let's pause here. We've described morning to lunch step by step. We've learned words, phrases, and feelings.
In the next part, we'll move to the afternoon, evening, and night. We'll finish your day in English with power.
Stay with us. You're doing amazing. Remember, even one new phrase is progress.
All right, welcome back. The morning is over. The sun is high. Afternoon begins. How do we describe it?
Easy. Start simple. In the afternoon, I work. Or, in the afternoon, I study.
Now add details. I have lunch with a friend. I go to the library. I take a short nap.
Nap is a small sleep in the afternoon. Many cultures love it. In English, we say, take a nap.
Mini practice. Repeat after me. I take a nap in the afternoon.
I go to the library after lunch.
I meet a friend for coffee.
Great! You're telling your story step by step.
Now imagine it's late afternoon. The sky is orange. The air is calm. What do you do?
Some learners say, I play football. Others, I exercise at the gym. You can also say, I go shopping.
Yes, add sound and feeling. I hear music in the gym. I feel strong after exercise.
Or, I walk through the market. I smell fresh bread.
That's cinematic. Language is not just grammar, it's pictures, emotions, sounds.
Now we reach evening. Dinner time. How can we describe it?
Start with, I eat dinner at 7. Add detail. I eat dinner with my family.
And emotion. I feel happy when we eat together.
Mini practice. Repeat. I eat dinner at 7.
I eat dinner with my family.
I feel happy when we eat together.
Beautiful. These are the sentences that connect hearts.
After dinner, what happens? Some people watch TV. Some read books. Some study English like you.
Yes, you can say, I watch a movie. Or I read a book. Or I practice English on YouTube.
Don't forget feelings. I relax after a long day. I feel calm in the evening.
Vocabulary tip. Unwind. It means to relax, to let go of stress. Example, I unwind by reading.
Repeat after me. I unwind in the evening.
I relax with my favorite music.
I practice English before bed.
Excellent. You're building fluency.
Now we arrive at night. The stars are out. The lights are soft. How do you describe bedtime?
Say, I go to bed at 10. Add detail, I brush my teeth, I turn off the light.
And emotion. I feel tired but grateful.
Mini practice. Repeat. I go to bed at 10.
I brush my teeth before bed.
I feel tired but grateful.
Perfect! You just described a full day in English. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
Emily, let's connect this to culture. In English-speaking countries, when people ask, "How was your day?" it's a sign of care.
Yes. And the answer doesn't need to be long. Just 1 or 2 sentences is enough. For example, my day was good. I studied and relaxed.
Or, I was busy, but I enjoyed dinner with my family.
So now, you not only learn vocabulary, you learn connection.
Let's add some idioms. Ready?
First, call it a day. It means to stop working. Example, I finished my work and called it a day.
Second, bright and early. It means very early in the morning. Example, I wake up bright and early.
Third, night owl. It means someone who stays up late. Example, I am a night owl. I sleep at midnight.
Fourth, early bird, the opposite, someone who wakes up early. Example, she is an early bird.
Idioms make your English colorful, like painting your day with extra light.
Paul, shall we check vocabulary with Charlotte one more time?
Sure. Number 1, nap, meaning short sleep. Synonym, rest. Example, I take a nap after lunch.
Number 2, unwind, meaning relax after stress. Synonym, rest. Example, I unwind with music.
Number 3, dinner, evening meal. Synonym, supper. Example, I eat dinner with my family.
Number 4, early bird, person who wakes up early. Opposite, night owl. Example, I'm an early bird.
Number 5, grateful, meaning thankful. Synonym, thankful. Example, I feel grateful before bed.
Clear and useful. Learners, which word is your favorite today?
Paul, I think it's time for reflection. Many learners fear mistakes. But you know what? Every word you spoke today is a step forward.
Exactly. Even if you only remember one phrase, just one, you are improving. Small steps create big change.
It's the 1% rule. One small improvement each day builds fluency.
So tonight, when you close your eyes, say this sentence. I am better today than yesterday.
And when tomorrow comes, start again.
Let's close with a mini practice. Everyone, repeat aloud with us.
In the morning, I wake up and drink coffee.
In the afternoon, I work and take a short nap.
In the evening, I eat dinner with my family.
At night, I relax and go to bed.
Perfect. That is your day in English.
Learners, we want to hear from you. Comment below, how was your day? Write 2 or 3 sentences. Share your story.
And if you found this lesson useful, subscribe, share with a friend, and keep practicing. Remember, your voice is strong, your story matters.
Yes, don't wait for perfect. Speak today. Learn today. Live today.
Thank you for joining us on Miss English Channel. Until next time, good night, good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you are.
And may your English grow brighter each day.